So I just had a quick thought that I thought I would record in a quick loom, and it's about skilled trades education being the killer app for Apple's Vision Pro headset. So here's this thing which is technically beyond, I think, what many people could have imagined. And it was only announced a couple days ago, and I'm already seeing reviews that people who've experienced it said it's really good, and it works, but lots of questions as to what it's for and who it's for. At $3,500, there's a bunch of wealthy early adopters who will buy it and play with it and watch TV or whatever on it. But I'm thinking about the practical application, and I got thinking about skilled trades education. So we've been having conversation after conversation after conversation of people who lead these organizations whose job it is to support the health of their particular trade, whether it's welding or electricians, cabinet builders, RV repair people. It's astonishing, even just in Canada, the number of such organizations. And to a person, what we heard from them was they're worried about how they keep people in their industry and coming to their industry. They are all investing money to show up at high school events, oftentimes some of the larger trades with 24-foot trailers that they may have to haul all the way up into Northern Ontario to show off and get kids excited about entering their trade. And if they don't, they have a real problem supporting the health and the ongoing nature of their industry. And we've been talking to them about how they can create flat screen-based, game-based learning experiences that are fun, that are exciting, that are engaging, that teach people what it's really like to do the thing without just throwing them a textbook at them, throwing apprenticeship at them, or throwing, a week's worth of classroom training at them. I'm really excited thinking about skilled trades education and skilled trades advocacy as the killer app for this thing. Every one of these trades organizations, even if they're small, they can afford a couple of these platforms, a couple of these Vision Pro spatial computers. They can bring them to high schools, they can sanitize them, they can put an experience in front of these kids' faces that they're going to remember. They're going to have a freaking lineup at their booth, even if they're the smallest, the cabinet makers of Canada. They're going to have a lineup as people want to experience something fun, something cool, something different. This is a unique moment, I think. And what's cool about what we do is, yes, we can create great training experiences. Yes, we can create great classroom experiences. We can do the highly technical knowledge transfer stuff. But fundamentally, we're experience designers. We build fun game-based learning experiences for clients of all types. I think we can do what no one else can and create virtual reality experiences. We're already working with the platform that Apple has chosen to partner with, Unity. That is our tool of choice. So, this is an astonishing moment, I think, for education. In 5 years, for sure, these things will be affordable and robust enough to be on a lot of people's faces. For now, though, let's crack open this problem of staffing the trades.